Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download the Timeshare Calculators with AI app in 2026. If you want a smart tool that helps you calculate timeshare cost, compare vacation expenses, and even use AI to analyze options, just follow this step-by-step guide. First, take your phone and open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad. This app is currently available on iOS devices, so make sure your device is updated and connected to a stable internet connection before you begin. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and type in Timeshare Calculators with AI. Once the results appear, look for the app developed by David Rothschild and double check the name and icon to make sure you're selecting the correct one. This app is designed mainly for timeshare calculations, including financing, vacation cost comparisons, and quick calculations, all in one place. It also includes built-in AI that helps you explore different timeshare companies and pricing models directly from your device. After that, tap the Get or Purchase button. This app is a small one-time paid download, so you may need to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password before the installation starts. Once confirmed, the app will begin downloading automatically onto your device. Just wait a few moments while the installation completes depending on your internet speed. When the app is fully installed, tap Open. You can now start using the built-in calculators like Financing Calculator, Vacation Cost Calculator, and Quick Calculator, and even use the AI assistant to research over 60 times timeshare options and scenarios. The app also works offline and uses on-device AI, meaning your data stays private and you can still use it even without internet access. And that's it. That's how you download the timeshare calculators with AI app in 2026. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials just like this.